Introduction to the C programming language. C is a powerful and widely used programming language that was created in the 1970s by Dennis Ritchie at Bell Labs. It was originally developed for system programming, but its simplicity and efficiency made it popular for a wide range of applications. One of the key features of C is its ability to directly manipulate memory, which gives programmers a lot of control and flexibility. It's known for its low-level capabilities, making it ideal for tasks such as operating system development, embedded systems, and device drivers. C is a structured language, meaning it supports modular programming with functions and allows for code organization and reusability. It also has a rich set of built-in data types and operators, making it suitable for various mathematical and logical operations. To write C programs, you'll need a text editor and a C compiler installed on your computer. You can write C code in a C file and then compile it into an executable file that can be run. When learning C, it's common to start with basic concepts like variables, data types, and control structures such as loops and conditional statements. From there, you can move on to more advanced topics like pointers, arrays, structures, and file handling.